Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to translate text on your Microsoft Word in your Windows PC. In this video we will learn this guys. So for this guys, first you need to open the Word document on your PC. So I am using Microsoft Office 2016. Okay. So after opening your document, here in the toolbar menu you can get the review option. As you can see, just click on it, and here you can get the option translate. Just click on it. Okay, and here you can get the option three option you can get: translate document, translate selected text. I am selecting this option. After this guys, just click on S, and here guys in the right side, now it will translate the text to Hindi language. As you can see guys, if you want to change this language, from here you can easily able to change that language, in which language you need to translate this text. As you can see guys, lots of language option you can get here. So this is the very easy and very simple method to translate the text on your Microsoft Word. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.